Hello friends, today we are going to make delicious mango juice. So don't skip the video, watch it till the end and you too will be able to prepare this recipe easily.
Here you go, madam. Freshly squeezed.
Oh, thank you so much. It looks delicious. Yeah.
It certainly is. Very refreshing. Look at this mountain of fruit! I am completely surrounded.
Máu bị lẫn hóa, át thốc thập hành này, theo bà cho bà lia, tôi nghe đã, hắn đã. Oh, okay, King.
Okay, that is actually really funny. I did not expect that sound from that video.
What was that? I don't know. Sounded close. Keep stirring, but be alert. This is going faster than I thought.
The quality of these mangoes is excellent.
We should save some to eat fresh, too.
Just some rays tonight to raise will transist from eggs. Like this works, but it's much of mere pulverization. Now was the spamings and horn tranks. Force of us, rise up, and then was the fresh strings point and end. And forcing torquil to be more.
Hey, there he is. Wow, great to see you. Come on over. Here you go, madam. Freshly squeezed.
Oh, thank you so much. It looks delicious.
It certainly is. Very refreshing.
You can't beat this view. And the company is even better. Cheers.